Log out from your Threads account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to log out or sign out from your Threads account, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the Threads application on your device. After you do that, it will take you to Threads homepage. Now in the bottom right corner, you can see this person's icon. Tap on it, then it will take you to your profile's information. From here, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a toolbar option. Tap on it, then it will take you to settings. From settings, you can see various options over here. What you're gonna do is scroll to the bottom of the page, and over here you can see two options, that are switch accounts and log out. If you want to switch account from this one to the other account, tap on switch accounts, go to add profile, then you can go to add another profile, and then you can add another profile. However, if you simply want to log out, tap on the logout option which is over here, then go to log out. After you do that, you will successfully be logged out from your Threads account. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you, and see you in the next one.